Welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. Now, if you're familiar with this particular cool and amazing Pi network right here, in this video, I'm going to show you how to go into selling your Pi cryptocurrencies in two different ways. And guys, do stick on with me as you learn how to do that and go on to converting your cryptocurrencies into cool and amazing cash. And for those that are actually not familiar with the Pi cryptocurrencies, the Pi is actually the first digital cryptocurrencies you can just simply go into mining just as easy as utilizing your phone right now. You just need to go into downloading the Pi application on your phone right now, and you just need to go into clicking a single button in that application every 24 hours for your mining to actually continue. And this is actually not going to be time consuming. It's not also going to take a lot of power or drain out your battery right now of your mobile devices. You just need to open the application once a day, click on that single button and close the application, and your cryptocurrencies keep mining right there. And that's absolutely amazing, as you can actually start mining Pi cryptocurrency today with our free Energy Light mobile application. And you could just simply download the application right here, and the application is actually available for both Android devices and Apple iOS devices. Scrolling through, guys, you can see right now that Pi make crypto mining easy. The breakthrough tech allows you to mine Pi on your phone without draining your battery. You can actually click on this section to actually read more details about the Pi cryptocurrency. The Pi cryptocurrency is actually a secure, immutable, non-counterfeitable, and interoperable digital money. It actually works on your mobile devices and does not drain your battery. It is easy to use, secure at scale, and without a massive electrical waste. That's absolutely amazing right now. Like I said, you could just simply download the application on your mobile devices, be it an Android devices or an Apple iOS devices, and keep your money. Mining of Pi is absolutely free. All you need is an invitation from an existing trusted member on the network. If you have an invitation, you can download the application below. And guys, I'm just simply going to leave the link right now, an invitation link to you guys in the description of this particular video. You just need to check out the description of this video right now to get the Pi invitation link so that you can actually start mining the cryptocurrencies. That's for people that doesn't have the Pi application or have not started mining the Pi cryptocurrencies previously. Now, here's how the application is actually going to look like on the Google Play Store right now, and you can see the amount of reviews this application actually gotten, the amount of people that have downloaded this application, about 50 million people right now, and a lot of people are actually mining this cryptocurrency right now. You could actually go on to joining them, mine the cryptocurrency so as not to miss out on the big deal right now, because this coin is actually estimated to be a very huge coin right now once it actually go on to getting launched on a lot of cryptocurrency. Now, a lot of people right now has actually mined a lot of Pi, and they're actually looking for ways to go into selling that Pi cryptocurrencies. And that's why this video was actually created, for you to easily go into selling your cryptocurrencies. Now, the two ways which you can easily go into selling your Pi cryptocurrency right now is that the first way is just for you to go on to getting someone that is actually interested in purchasing your cryptocurrencies that has already been mined by you. Now, that person actually might need to be physical. For you to go on to making such transaction, you just need to transfer the cryptocurrencies to their wallet address, and once you transfer that to their wallet address, they're going to giving you the respective value for that specific cryptocurrency you actually transfer to their address right now. Although, guys, on the platform right now, or since Pi has not actually been listed on a lot of cryptocurrencies platform where you could go on to trading the Pi network or the Pi cryptocurrency, the Pi doesn't actually have a definite value for right now that you could actually go on to selling it. So it depends on your agreement with the person. That depends on how much you are actually going to be selling that specific cryptocurrency. Now, the second way for you to sell that right now is to actually head on to platforms like Twitter. Now, if you go onto Twitter, go into the explore section and search for the Pi payment, you can actually see a lot of people posting about Pi. Now, if you keep on scrolling through, you will see a lot of posts right now, and this Pi network is actually on a lot of countries right here. A lot of people are actually utilizing that particular Pi network. So if you keep on scrolling through, you can actually do see a lot of people interested in the Pi cryptocurrency. Now you can take note of these guys. Take a look at this person. Is actually interested in purchasing Pi from individuals. You can see that you can flex the weekend by converting your Pi coins to cash or to cool cash in your account, and this is 100%. The person claims to offer the fast payment and legit dealings. Now the issue with you selling your Pi cryptocurrencies to people online right now is that you may not actually need to know, you may not actually know if the person is actually legit or not, because a lot of people might just simply go to scamming you, collecting your cryptocurrencies, and not actually going to paying you because you don't know if the person is legit or not, and you can actually not want to see the person physically. So that's why it's easy for people to scam. So you may not really get someone legit, but there are some people that are actually legit right now, which is why you actually need to be careful when actually selling your cryptocurrencies on platforms such as this. But I honestly do advise that you do go to wait until this cryptocurrency has actually been listed on a lot of cryptocurrency platforms for you to go on to making digital purchases or digital sales of such cryptocurrencies right now. So why not just simply take out the time, wait, and I do assure you guys that your wait will actually be worth it once you actually, or once this cryptocurrency has actually been listed on a lot of cool and amazing cryptocurrency platform. So these are actually the two ways which you could easily go into selling your Pi, which is actually meeting someone that's actually interested in purchasing your Pi physically, or you can actually do go into checking out the X platform, which is Twitter, and go to looking out for someone that is interested in purchasing Pi after searching for Pi payment. And you're going to see people, but the risk with this is that you don't know if they are actually legit, if there are people that want to scam you or people that are interested in buying the Pi for real. Now if you're also someone interested in making money online, you can actually go on to checking out my channel OJ Marketing, because I usually create videos on cool ways to make money online. And supposing you like such kind of content, you can hit the like button to the video, you can subscribe to the channel right now, and turn on your notification bell on all, because I usually create videos to help boost your income each and every single day. Now you always get alerted whenever I do create or post videos on the platform, because your notification bell is always turned on all. Also guys, you can check out the first link in the description of the video. That link is going to lead you to an amazing course right now. Now this course is absolutely for people interested in making money online with YouTube, as the course can enable you set up a 3-hour YouTube work plan to help you fast track your channel earnings and growth. Now with this course, you could earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month after utilizing the strategies in the course. And you can see that the course is actually being sold today for $49, of which this price will last till the 1st of April 2024, after which you're going to be purchasing the course for a sum of $199. So why not just simply purchase the course today and save up to $150 right now. Now to purchase the course, just simply click on buy now and follow the necessary details to start learning in the next 2 minutes. And guys, the course is absolutely amazing, because once you click on that first link in the description of this video, you can gain access to this page. I'm going to see out more details about the course, the course potentials such as the YouTube revenue potential, digital product sales, and also affiliate product sales. You can also go to checking out some cool and amazing payment proof via this particular video right now. This is going to show you live payment proof of the capabilities of this particular course. So don't miss out on this opportunity right now. This is going to be an amazing way to make a lot of money online with YouTube. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.